In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a group email using Outlook, and it will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're coordinating a team meeting or sending out important information to a large group, knowing how to send a group email will save you loads of time and ensure everyone gets the message. So let's jump right in and take you through the steps to accomplish this efficiently. First things first, let's navigate to Outlook. You'll want to start by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Open your favorite browser and type in the URL for Outlook, or simply search for Outlook Sign In your search engine. Once the web page loads, you should see a sign in button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to log in with your email credentials. Begin by entering your email address. This is the email associated with your Microsoft account. After filling in your email, click on the Next button. If you're doing this for the first time on a new machine, Microsoft might ask if you want to stay signed in. Feel free to choose according to your preference based on your security needs. Once you've entered your email and clicked Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully to avoid any hassle, and then click on Sign In to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you'll move on to any additional security steps you might have set up. Microsoft might verify your identity with security questions, or by sending a code to your registered phone number or email address. Upon successfully signing in, you'll likely land on your Outlook dashboard where your emails are organized. Before moving forward, you'll need to approve staying signed in by clicking Yes when prompted. This feature helps you stay connected without having to log in each time you visit. Now that you are in your Outlook dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Mail. Click on it to proceed to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, the next step is to access the Groups section. This is where you can manage your group interactions within Outlook. Click on Groups and it will take you to a page displaying your existing groups. For those of you who are not familiar with groups, this feature allows you to communicate easily with multiple individuals by grouping their contacts together. This feature is incredibly useful if you frequently communicate with the same set of people, like all your colleagues from a particular department or team members in a project. Let's move on to composing the email. Click on the New Mail button. This is typically located at the top or sidebar of your Outlook interface and is your starting point for creating a new email message. This opens a draft window where you can begin composing your group email. Start by adding the contacts you wish to email. In the To field, you can either enter individual email addresses or choose one of your predefined groups if you've set one up before. Outlook makes suggesting contacts easy by providing you with a list of contacts as you type. Remember to double check the contacts to make sure the intended recipients are included and there aren't any mistakes. Now it's time to write your email. In the body of your draft, craft your message just like you would with any single email. Be mindful of the content since you're addressing multiple people. If there are any attachments, don't forget to add them by clicking on the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip. It's located near the bottom or top of the window depending on your Outlook version. When your email is set, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the subject line is clear and appropriate for engaging your audience. It acts as a preview and often determines whether the email gets opened. Double check the list of recipients to avoid sending sensitive information to the wrong person. Finally, you're ready to send out your group email. With all your information verified and your message complete, hit the Send button. Upon clicking Send, your email will be on its way to everyone you included in your group. And there you have it, you've successfully sent a group email in Outlook. Remember, this process is straightforward, but double checking each step, especially in the recipient and attachment sections, ensures your communication is efficient and reaches the right audience. Thank you for watching and following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Until next time, happy emailing.